Hello students, continuing the same chapter mensuration. Now we are going to solve questions of exercise 20C. Now before going to solve questions, we have to learn the formula. What is the formula? Formula of area of parallelogram and area of rhombus. Let's see the formula first. Parallelogram. This is the figure of parallelogram. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. Now BD is the diagonal and DE perpendicular to AB, or say DE is the height of the parallelogram. Now see here ABCD is the parallelogram, join BD is the diagonal. Since BD divides the parallelogram into two equal triangles, this BD divides this parallelogram into two equal triangles, and we have also drawn DE perpendicular to AB. We know that area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 into base into height square unit. Here we have two triangles. So the base is, for this triangle, ABD. In triangle ABD, the base is AB and height is DE. Base is AB and height is DE. So we have to find the area of parallelogram. To find the area of parallelogram, we have to find the area of these two triangles. So area of the parallelogram goes like 2 into area of a triangle. So we have 2 into area of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. So these two cut themselves or get out, and we have base into height. So area of parallelogram goes like base into height square unit. Now see the second one, rhombus. This is the figure of rhombus. PQRS is a rhombus, and we know that all sides of rhombus are equal. That is PQ equals QR equals RS equals SP, and it has two diagonals, D1 and D2. These diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. It means the diagonal divides it into two equal halves. They cut themselves into two equal halves. That is PO is equal to OR and QO is equal to OS. So this is the diagonal D1, this is diagonal D2. Now here we can see that the rhombus has four triangles in it. And we know that area of a triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. So here in triangle POQ, we have area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Base is OP, the base is OP, and height is OQ. The base is OP and height is OQ, and OP is D1 by 2. That is diagonal, half of the diagonal. OP is half of the diagonal D1 and OQ is half of the diagonal D2. So here we go, 1 by 2 into base into height. Base is OP and height is OQ. Here we have OP is equal to half of the diagonal D1 and OQ is equal to half of the diagonal D2. So here we have 1 by 2 into D1 by 2 into D1 by 2. So we have 1 by 8 into D1 into D2. This is the area of a triangle, and we are saying that rhombus has four triangles in it. So to find the area of rhombus, we have to find the area of four triangles. So area of rhombus is equal to 4 into area of a triangle. One area of triangle. So we have area of triangle is 1 by 8 into D1 into D2. And for four triangles, we have 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. So area of rhombus goes like 1 by 2 into product of its diagonals, or say 1 by 2 into D1 into D2 square unit. Now let's go to solve some questions related to area of parallelogram and rhombus. Let's go. See question number 1. Find the area of parallelogram with base 32 cm and height 16.5 cm. Base is given, height is given. We have to find the area of parallelogram. So here we go. Given that base of parallelogram 32 cm, height 16.5 cm. So area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. We know that area of parallelogram is equal to base into height square unit. Put the value, we have 528 centimeter square as the area of parallelogram. Now see the second one. The base of parallelogram measures 1 meter 60 centimeter and its height is 75 centimeter. We have to find its area in meter square. We have to find its area in meter square. So we have to convert this whole unit in meter. So let's see, given that base of parallelogram is equal to 1 meter 60 centimeter. So convert this centimeter into meter. We have to divide it by 100. We have 1.60 meter as the base and height is 75 centimeters. So divided with 100, we get 0.75 meter as height. So area of parallelogram, we know that base into height. So put the value, base 1.60, height 0.75, multiply it. We have 1.2000 meter square, or say 1.2 meter square as the area. Now see the third question number. In a parallelogram, it is being given that base is equal to 14 decimeter and height is 6.5 decimeter. Base and height is in decimeter. We have to find the area first in centimeter square, second in meter square. So let's see the conversion chart: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So we have to find the area in centimeter. To convert decimeter into centimeter, we have to multiply it by 10. We have to convert this decimeter into centimeter. So for converting it into centimeter, we have to multiply it by 10. So here we go. Base is equal to 14 decimeter. Converting it into centimeter, we have to multiply it by 10. So we have 140 centimeter as base and height 6.5 decimeter multiplied by 10. We have 65 centimeter as height. So its area is equal to base into height. So multiply base with height. We have 9100 centimeter square as the area in centimeters. Second, we have to find the area in meter also. So here we go. For converting decimeter into meter, we have to divide it by 10. We have to do division for converting decimeter into meter, because when we go right to left, we have to divide it, and when we go left to right, we have to multiply it. So we are going right to left, so we have to divide it and by 10. So base is equal to, we have 14 divided by 10, 1.4 meter, and height is equal to 0.65 meter. So its area is equal to base into height. So multiply base with height, we have 0.91 meter square. Now we can find the area in meter square directly by dividing it with 100 multiplied by 100, because we know that to convert centimeter into meter, we have to divide it by 100. Here we have centimeter square, so we have to divide this 9100 with 100 multiplied by 100 to get the area in meter square. Now if question has asked you in meter only, not in centimeter, if question asks the area in meter only, so you have to do like this. The second one, you have to first change the decimeter into meter, and then you have to multiply it with base into height to find the area. So here it is asked in centimeter and meter, so we have to solve it first in centimeter, then we can do directly in meter square by dividing it by 100 into 100. Now see the next question. 4 number is, find the height of a parallelogram whose area is 54 centimeter square and the base is 15 centimeter. Here area is given and base is given, so we have to find the height. Now see the figure, the base is 15 centimeter, we have to find the height, area is 54 centimeter square. Now here we go, given that base of parallelogram is equal to 15 centimeter and area is 54 centimeter square. We know that area is equal to base into height. So putting the value, area 54, base 15, height, suppose height be h. So transfer this 15 centimeter to the left, it will become divide. So 54 divided by 15, calculating this, we have 18 upon 5, and after doing the division, we have height is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Hence the height of the parallelogram is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Now moving on, next question number 5. One side of a parallelogram is 18 centimeter long and its area is 153 centimeter square. Find the distance of the given side from its opposite side. We have to find the distance of the given side from the opposite side, or in short say we have to find the height. So here is the figure, base is 18 centimeter, we have to find height, area is given 153 centimeter square. we have to find the distance of the given side from its opposite. So ultimately we have to find the height. Now here we go. Given that base of the parallelogram 18 cm, area is 153 cm. We know that area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. So put all the value in the formula. We have 153 cm square is equal to 18 into height. Now transfer this 18 to the left side. It will become divide. So 153 divided by 18, we have 51 upon 6. Now divide 51 with 6, we have 8.5 cm as height. Hence the distance of the given side from its opposite side, or say height, is equal to 8.5 centimeters. Now see the next question. Number 6. In a parallelogram ABCD, AB is equal to 18 cm, BC equal to 12 cm, AL perpendicular to DC and AM perpendicular to BC. If AL is equal to 6.4 cm, find the length of AM. Now see the figure. AB is equal to 18 and BC equal to 12. Here AL is the perpendicular, and this AL is equal to 6.4. We have to find the AM. We have to find the height here. Now see that given that in a parallelogram ABCD, base is equal to AB. This is the base AB, 18 cm. Height AL is 6.4 cm is given. So area of the parallelogram. Find the area of the parallelogram. Base into height. Multiply base with height. We have 115.2 cm square. The area of the parallelogram. Now see here. We have area of the parallelogram and we have the base as 12 cm and we have to find the height AM. Now, and also in a parallelogram ABCD, in the same parallelogram ABCD, base is equal to BC, that is 12 cm, and height AM, we have to find height, and area, we have already taken out area 115.2 cm. Now area is equal to base into height. Put the value. We have area 115.2 cm, base is 12 cm. We have to find height. So transfer this 12 to the left side. We have 115.2 divided by 12. We have 9.6 cm as height. So the length of AM is equal to 9.6 centimeters. Now see the next question. Now question number 7. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 15 cm and 8 cm. If the distance between the longer side is 4 cm, find the distance between the shorter side. Now according to question, the figure is this. We have adjacent sides. This is the adjacent side. So length of this one is 15 cm and length of this one is 8 cm, or say length is 15 and breadth is 8 cm. Now here the distance between the longer side, this is the longer side. So the distance between the longer side is given 4 cm. We have to find the distance between the shorter length, that is breadth. We have to find the distance between these two breadths, that is this thing. So let's see the solution. Given that adjacent side of a parallelogram are 15 and 8 cm respectively. In the parallelogram, the same parallelogram, the base equal to longer side. Base is the longer side. Height is equal to distance between the longer side. Height is distance between the longer side. Now we have base is equal to 15 cm and height is equal to 4 cm. So its area, we know that area, base into height. Area of parallelogram, base into height. So multiply base with height, we have 60 cm square is the area of this parallelogram. Now in the same parallelogram, base is the shorter side. Base is the shorter side and height is distance between the shorter side. Height is distance between the shorter side, that is height is equal to h. We have to find height, that is height is equal to h, and base is equal to 8 cm. Now we have already taken out area, that is 60 cm square. Now putting the values in the formula, we have area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area is 60 cm square, base is 8. We have to find height. Now transfer this 8 cm to the left side. It will become divide. So 60 upon 8, we have 15 upon 2, and divide 15 by 2, we have 7.5 centimeter as height. Hence the distance between the shorter sides is 7.5 centimeters. Now see the next question. Number 8. The height of a parallelogram is 1/3 of its base. 1/3, 1/3 it means 1/3 of its base. If the area of the parallelogram is 108 centimeter square. Area of parallelogram is given 108 centimeter square. We have to find its base and height. We have to find its base and height. So according to question, the figure is this. Let base be x and height is this. Height is 1/3 of its base. So height is 1/3x and area is given 108 centimeter square. Now see the solution. Here we go. In the parallelogram, let base be x and height be 1/3 of its base. So 1/3 of base, that is x. Since area of parallelogram is given 108 centimeter square and we know that area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. So put the value in the formula. We have base x, height 1/3x is equal to 108 centimeter square. Multiply it, we have 1/3x square. So transfer this 3 to the right side. Here we have x into x, s square, and here 1/3. This 3 is in divide. Here it will be in multiply. It will become in multiply. So x square is equal to 108 multiplied by 3. Now x square, we have 324 centimeter square, or we have to find the value of x. So x is equal to under root. Transfer this square to the right side. Now 324 is in under root. Now find the factor of 324. We have 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now take one element from a pair, or say take one number from a pair. So 2 into 2, take it out 1. 3 into 2, take it out 1. 3 into 3, take it out 1 number. We have x is equal to 2 into 3 into 3, that is x is equal to 18 centimeter. Now the base of the parallelogram is equal to x. So x is 18 centimeter. So base of parallelogram is 18 centimeter and height is 1/3 of base. So 1/3 of base is equal to 6 centimeter. So children, students, listen it very carefully and solve it in your copy. Thank you.